Let's take a look how to make text made of plastic material here in Adobe Firefly. Now this specific direction came out by accident, and we're also going to check out if you can reproduce it or not. So first we're going to go to Adobe Firefly and let's go to the aspect ratio. I'm going to change it to square, content type photo, scroll down, and I'm going to go with the light, studio light, hyper-realistic, and I'm going to go to the prompt and type in sphere made of shiny purple plastic material, hard surface, floating, isolated on white background. And let's click on try prompt. So here we got the first result, and as you can see it's not even floating, so I'm going to try to add floating sphere. Generate. So it seems like one of them is actually floating, but the rest looks the same, and I'm going to replace this prompt with viewed from top. Generate. So it seems like with the viewed from top prompt, it is generating the right result, but the quality of these spheres are really bad. What we're going to do is just remove the viewed from top, and I'm also going to go and remove the floating prompt, and let's see what happens. Yeah, so now we got better results. I'm going to generate some more. I'm also going to add polished. And I think it's getting better actually. I'm going to generate some more. I'm going to try to emphasize this hard plastic polished material. So I'm also going to add glass. So it's not that bad, but I'm not 100% sold. So I'm going to need to simplify this prompt. I'm going to go and remove hard surface and see what we're going to get. I think it's repeating itself, but let's generate some more. And here you go. I think I got the perfect results. This is great. And then we also got this one. So yeah, I think I'm going to go with this. I'm going to go to edit, use a style reference. And I'm going to go to aspect ratio, change it to landscape. And for the reference image, I'm going to upload this text right here. Click on open, continue, increase the strength to 100. And I'm going to go to the style reference, decrease the strength. And I'm also going to decrease the visual intensity, change up the sphere prompt to text. And click generate. And then take a look at this. This time it's going to generate text made of flat plastic, which is interesting. So after a couple of attempts, it seems like it's generating the same thing. So what I'm going to do is go here to the style and I'm going to go and increase the visual intensity a little bit more and see what is going to happen. I'm going to click on generate and take a look at that. I managed to generate this bevel effect again. And to be honest, I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go to edit, use a style reference. And I'm going to go and generate some more ideas in this specific direction. And pretty much this is how I make this hard plastic material here in Adobe Firefly. Thanks for watching.